What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this short video I want to show you Stay22's YouTube integration feature and how easy it is to actually potentially make more affiliate sales if you have travel related affiliate content on a YouTube channel. So Stay22, if you don't already know, is, in my opinion so far, the best travel affiliate program that I've done business with. They help me make sales very seamlessly because I integrate that with my website, and their AI tool helps me make more sales, and these are all sales from their AI feature. But this is for my blog. And recently they came out with a YouTube integration where the same kind of AI is applied, but if you have a YouTube channel that has travel affiliate content on it, this will help you get affiliate links on one or more of your videos or future videos that you make to make the process of promoting stuff through your YouTube videos easier. Let me show you what that looks like. So I did create a previous video kind of giving you the overview of what I just explained in more detail, but what I want to show you in this video is an example of how this actually works. So the first thing to understand is you do need to connect your Stay22 account with your YouTube channel. And in this case, I'm connecting Stay22 with my Nature Seeker YouTube channel. I have a blog that I have connected with Stay22, but that's a different feature. Right now we're talking about YouTube here. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can sign up with Stay22. I'll leave a link below this video and you can use this integration. But what happens is it analyzes your channel and all of your videos and then provides you with affiliate suggestions that as you can see over here. Now you'll see a lot of zeros in my particular case, but if you click on this and you click on descending, you will see that Stay22 identified that in my particular case, I have at least 4 different videos with different numbers of affiliate suggestions. So you'll see where it says reviewed. These are actually videos where I did review what Stay22 suggested, and then I literally clicked one button and the suggestions that they had were added to the corresponding YouTube video. So let me give you an example. If I click on this one right here, this is a video on things to do in Hocking Hills State Park. It's a video that is slowly growing, but basically if I scroll down here, you'll notice that this is a combination of my old description on that YouTube video plus Stay22 adding its own suggestions with affiliate links right here, and it actually gives you the timelines of where to stay and what you on that video. So it does it on its own. Its AI is just absolutely amazing, and these are all of my affiliate links. I didn't create this. The AI system in Stay22 did it for me, and all I clicked on was publish on YouTube, and if I go over to the actual video in the back end where you can see the analytics, you'll see that it's right here. It's seamless, it's simple, and it can potentially be very powerful. I know for a fact that Stay22, at least for me, has been incredibly profitable with the travel affiliate content that I have on my blog. So now I'm trying to scale that through my YouTube channel. But anyway, let me just show you really quick what this looks like if you decide to do this as well. So there's at least one more video that I have not yet added affiliate an affiliate content within the description of it too. So I click on this right here where you can see that there's one affiliate suggestion. The rest of these are zeros because I mostly make nature related content, but I will make more travel intent content on popular locations so I can have more travel incentives pop up here in this particular feature. But anyway, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to review what Stay22 suggested. So this is actually taking what I already again have on my YouTube video, in this case on Lake Crescent Olympic National Park Scenic Drive, and this is what it added. So now if I click on publish to YouTube, this whole description will be added into my YouTube description in place of the previous one. So this is all I need to do. That's it. And that's it. I don't have to copy it manually and do that. I just click this button and that's all it takes to make this work. So this could potentially be very lucrative if you have a YouTube channel and you have a lot of travel affiliate content. Maybe you're talking about places to visit, popular cities, popular beaches, popular destinations in general, national parks. This feature in Stay22 can be a huge complement to your content because it will help you create descriptions with affiliate links that will be unique to your particular ID, as they are in my case to my unique ID here, and it can be a very powerful asset to your travel affiliate business. I know for a fact that it has been for me, at least with my blog, and now I'm really excited about doing this with my YouTube channel. So I do hope that that is the case for you as well, but if you have any questions about this, let me know. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.